Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. It's really fascinating that Payments is now the first cryptocurrency payment gateway to properly support Shiba Inu. However, Payments is currently aiming to integrate Shibarium as the first crypto payment gateway. Therefore, we support Shib, Leash, and Bone, provide Shib burn features, assist businesses in accepting Shib, continually create new tools for the incredible Shib token ecosystem, and finally, try right away. In essence, their goal is to assist both the Shibarium world and you in becoming fresh. You are aware that the cosmos is being constructed with Shibarium. Shibarium will essentially develop into the replacement for Ethereum. And for this reason, I believe that many of these tokens have significant worth. I also believe that these tokens' value will increase significantly once there is a significant use case for purchasing things. When it comes to value, the sky is the limit, owing to that use case. And if people are utilizing it, the prices will only keep rising. So what happened to Ethereum, do you know? You know, Ethereum used to be practically worthless, but it's now worth almost $2,000. It's wild for one Ethereum. Many people believe that it would never occur. Therefore, you never know. So it's kind of a huge deal that Payments and Chevy are now collaborating. They have been a significant ally of Chevy for about 2 years. They promote Chevy New, they emphasize its practical applications, they run a campaign to advertise their NFTs, and they do all kinds of other things. Additionally, there is no official launch date for the main internet. Therefore, it is unknown when this will occur. But you know, a lot of what we've been told was a few months after the beta's release. And now that we're a few months later, we can see the release of Shibarium, and it's going to be a big one, so we're excited for that. However, keep in mind that right now Payments are doing a lot to support businesses as they integrate burn systems into their Shib acceptance. I commend them for that because there are many ways in which the value of Shiba Inus could increase as a result of the current payments. I believe it's fantastic. A brief market report shows that Bitcoin is currently trading at $20,975. It appears promising and is progressing upward. Many other coins are doing the same, and today could see significant breakouts. Thus, be prepared for that. Many tokens could experience a significant breakout in which they increase by 7, 8, or even 15% in a single day. Thus, be prepared for that. Yesterday, we experienced a pump followed by a minor sell-off, and today, we are experiencing another pump. As a result, we should see Bitcoin surpass $30,000. Things will be looking great. Shiba Inu is already rising, but it should keep rising. When that happens, we'll see things like XRP rising and Bitcoin rising by 3%. We're primed and ready for some significant advances right now. I'll see you at the next one if we can make some money off of you guys.